Bollywood comedian Rajpal Yadav's fate now rests with the Delhi High Court, and for now, the actor will remain in jail with the next hearing scheduled for Monday. On February 12, 2026, the court heard his bail plea in a crucial proceeding that could decide whether the beloved comic actor walks free from Tihar jail or continues behind bars. According to live updates, several big Bollywood names are stepping in to support him financially as the legal drama intensifies. Rajpal has been lodged in Tihar since February 4 after surrendering before the court. This came after the Delhi High Court revoked the suspension of his sentence in the long-running ₹9 crore check bounce case. The court had earlier given him relief, but repeated breaches in repayment commitments reportedly led to strict action. Now Justice Swarna Kanta Sharma's bench will assess whether Rajpal has complied with financial conditions and whether genuine repayment efforts are underway. And here's where the story takes a dramatic Bollywood turn. According to his manager Goldie, several big names from the industry are stepping in to help. Reports suggest Salman Khan, Ajay Devgan, and Varun Dhawan may be assisting financially to help settle the dues. Earlier, Kamal RK publicly pledged ₹10 lakh, while RJD leader Tej Pratap Yadav announced ₹11 lakh support. Actors like Sonu Sood and Gurmeet Chaudhary also expressed willingness to help. It's rare to see such visible industry solidarity, especially in a legal crisis. Let's rewind to how this began. Back in 2010, Rajpal Yadav reportedly borrowed ₹5 crore from Murali Projects to finance his directorial venture Ata Pata Lapata. The film unfortunately failed at the box office. To repay the loan, 7 checks were issued, but they bounced. With interest, the amount reportedly ballooned to around ₹9.35 crore. In 2018, Rajpal was convicted under Section 138 of the Negotiable Instruments Act and sentenced to 6 months in jail. Over the years, he received interim relief and multiple opportunities to repay. However, the court observed repeated defaults and unmet deadlines, eventually ordering him to surrender on February 4. Before going to jail, Rajpal made an emotional statement saying he felt isolated and financially broken. He admitted that surrendering was his only option at that stage. His wife Radha has since thanked members of the film industry for their support and has expressed hope for a positive outcome. Now all eyes are on the next hearing scheduled for Monday. The High Court will consider partial payments already deposited, assess fresh settlement proposals, and determine whether sufficient financial guarantees are in place. If the court is satisfied, Rajpal could secure bail. If not, he may have to continue serving his sentence. Fans, meanwhile, have flooded social media with support messages. Memes, emotional posts, and throwback clips from Bhool Bhulaiya, Hangama, and Chup Chup Ke are trending, reminding everyone of the laughter he has given audiences for decades. But beyond the comic roles and fan nostalgia, this case underscores a serious reality about financial accountability and legal commitments. Even established stars are not immune to consequences when court orders are repeatedly breached. For now, the verdict is clear. Rajpal Yadav remains behind bars, and the next hearing on Monday could prove decisive in shaping the next chapter of his personal and professional journey.